So today we will learn about recursive algorithm. What is recursive algorithm? Before that, we must know what is recursion itself. Recursion is an algorithmic approach where a function or procedure calls itself. Algorithms that use recursion are referred to as recursive algorithm. Recursion is applicable within procedures and functions. Recursion can be envisioned as a form of iteration shift through function and procedure calls. Those two concepts in recursion are the basis and the recurrence. Basis is a condition that serves as the stopping point for the recursive process. Then recurrence is a command within the algorithm that invokes the same procedure or function again, allowing the process to repeat. For example code, there's my friend will explain.
Okay, thanks for the time. Okay, so in here I will explain two codes about recursive algorithm. Okay, the first I will explain how to find factorial number with recursive algorithms. Okay, in here we have n factorial function to find the factorial number. Then we have two variables in here, variable x and variable result. Okay, and this is the main program. Okay, you put the value of x and then the result from the n factorial function, then print again, print the result. Okay, after that the code will end. Okay, so I will focus to the n factorial function because this function is so important things in this module. Okay, I'll explain this. Okay, so the first in here we have basis. Basis is for the stop recursive algorithm. Okay, and then the recurrence. Here are the recurrence. Okay, the recurrence is to call again the algorithm itself. Okay, okay, okay. Assume we have the value of n is 3. Okay. We assume that the value of n is 3. Okay, okay. We go through this function. Is 3 equal to 1? No. Okay. Is 3 equal to 0? No. Okay. We go there and then 3 is more than 1. Right? Okay. We can write in here 3 times n factorial. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. 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 We find again n factorial 2. Okay. Is 2 equal to 1? No. Okay. Is 2 equal to 0? No. Okay. We go there again. 2 is more than 1, right? Okay. The code will return 2 times n factorial. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 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 We're gonna find the n factorial 1. Okay. So go up there again. Is the 1 equal to 1? Right? Okay. The code will return 1. Okay. We write in here 1. Okay. Okay. The summary of the program is 3 times 2 and then times 1. Sorry, times 1. Okay. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. Okay. Result is 6. If you don't believe me, I will try run this code. Okay, input the number. We can input 3 in here. Okay, enter. Okay, the factorial result is 6. Okay, see? Same like this. That is the recursive algorithm works. Okay, we're gonna do another code again. Okay, now I have the code to input students data. Okay, we have the declaration variable in here, the input function, and then the main programs in here. The main program you can input how many students are there. Okay, now we go to the input function in here because this function have recursive algorithm. Okay, we know this is an x more than 0 is basis. Okay, and then this is the decrement become the recurrence for this function. Okay. Okay, now we run the program. Okay, assume that the n is 3. Okay, the value of n is 3. Okay, and then we can input the name. For example, Benny, the ID is 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 3 becomes 2 because of this decrement. Okay, and then we write again bahasa 3, 2, 1. Then the value of this become 1. Okay, and then they execute this line again. Okay, with write Teguh with ID 2, 1, 3. Okay. Nah, when the value becomes 0, the program will exit itself. So this is the recursive algorithm. I hope you guys can understand this module. Okay. If I have a mistake, I'm sorry. Okay, see ya guys.